Okay, so as you can tell, I already ripped my address off, so please, no stalkers, no none of that. Anyways, IND sent this out to me. This is really nicely packaged up. They always do a good job. Yeah, my box cutter is inside the crib, so here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna use my fingernails, and hey, would you look at that? Wow, hey, okay. Nicely packaged, pause. Bubble wrapped up, IND tape with the logo all over it. Okay, let's see what we got here. What do you guys think's in the box? Let's see what we got here. Okay. Whoa, 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 whoa. We're getting somewhere here. Hey, we got a trim tool. Okay. Hold on, wait a minute here. Ta-da! 50 years of BMW M, the heritage badges. If you were to buy an M Performance vehicle or a full-blown M this year, you would have the option of getting these 50-year anniversary emblems, roundels, logos for the hood and for the trunk of the car. Now these are the retrofit. They're gonna work on my vehicle because I have a 2018. So, I mean, close enough. We're a couple years off the 50-year anniversary of M. Close enough. It'll be a pretty easy install and you guys will love it. Stay tuned.